Hi everybody, these are all of our sleds. I will be starting these. This one right here is my dad's sled. It's a 1998 Skidoo Formula 3 700 triple. Got plastic skis. The seat's a little ripped. Got a 1.5 paddle track, Camoplast Challenger paddle track. Set it down. That's my dad's sled. 91 octane recommended for that one. This one is mine. It's a 1979 ZR440 Snow Pro. It's got aftermarket brakes, plastic skis, a brand new track on it, fully studded. It's got a crack there. That's about it. No rips in the seat. I'm going to probably repaint those. Those are pretty rusty. I like the color of this one. This one also recommends 91 octane. This one is the one I talked to the guys on snowmobile form because it would only run on one cylinder when it idled, and now I finally got it running on both cylinders, so should start out with no choke hopefully. Hand and thumb warmers work on this too. But there's the track. I don't know if you guys can see that, hopefully. Yeah, you guys should be able to. This one is my mom's sled. It's a 1990 Polaris 440 Sport. It's got ski skins, new wear bars, a couple cracks on the hood. We just had to buy a brand new secondary clutch for this because last year it exploded. Anyway, I'll open the hood here. It's got an aftermarket AAEN performance exhaust, and it's got an aftermarket taillight lens. AAEN. Twin carb, air cooled, fan cooled I should say. This one's got a decent track. I think it's got at least 91 studs down the center. I'm thinking. I couldn't tell you for sure. Well, anyway, this one should start with no choke also, hopefully. taillight ones. There's a 440. That's the track on it. This one is my brother's sled. It's a 1989 Yamaha Ovation 340, fan cooled. I'm traded a junk quad for this. It's got decent skis on it and all rusted out for being steel. Missing the front bumper, or front nose cone I should say. It's got a Kawasaki seat on it. 1980 Pantera skid and track. Can't open this. Okay. There you guys go. That pill bottle's got the registration in it. It's got a brand new battery in it, which I bought for 60 bucks. Oh, we can't start this one because it's out of gas. But we might be lucky and it might fire with the electric start. Or not, you know. Oh, we're gonna need to get some gas and then I'll do a start video of this one too. But everything works on it, you know. Brakes. Can pull start. Okay, and this one's my other one. 1993 EXT 550 twin carb, liquid cooled. It's not the EFI. Skis are kind of rusted. Get a crack in the windshield. I had to put a new stator in this. The one that was in it was toast. This one should start with no choke, hopefully. This one's a little bit harder to start than my other ones. 550 liquid. Okay, let's see if this will start with no choke. Don't die. There it goes. It'll warm up here in a minute. It'll kick right up. There it goes. It's starting to. It's kind of nippy out, so. There it goes. Everything works on this too. Idle's about 1.5. This is backwards because I had to change the coil out of a Polaris Indy 500. Okay, which is over there. Junk sled. If you guys need parts, just get a hold of me. It's a 1991 liquid. Okay, this one's my dad's. Christ, all the two-stroke smoke. It's a 1989 650 Wildcat twin carb, liquid cooled. Got to upsee it, but you know, it's kind of taped and nasty. Okay, open the hood here. We have problems with this one blowing lights for some reason. We changed the voltage regulator and everything, and it still keeps doing it. So, we don't know. We're just gonna run it like that. Who cares? Big ass cylinders. Twin piped. That's for food, which we'll never use. And right there's the voltage regulator we changed. It still blows them. But it don't seem to blow them once it warms up. But it seems like it should still work even though it's cold. So all the other ones do, so. Okay, this one is kind of loud, and we'll try to start it with no choke, hopefully. Whoop, falling off the sled. Has no headlight unless you put it on low beam, and the taillight is blown unless you hit the brakes. Okay, but here's the track on this one, and I think it's got no. Oh, it does got studs. I didn't think it did. I don't know if you guys can see that. I didn't show you the track on mine. 550. There it is. No studs. Okay. This Wildcat has got 1,597 miles on it, and everything still works, the speedo. My 550's got 4,482, and the speedo works. Okay. My brother's sled has 5,444 miles, and the speedo still works. My mom's 4,351, and the speedo still works. So my other sled has 2,131 miles on it.